Hello students, we'll be discussing this question which states the power radiated by a black body is P and it radiates maximum energy at wavelength lambda naught. If the temperature of the black body is now changed, so it radiates maximum energy at wavelength 3 upon 4 lambda naught. The power radiated by it becomes Np and the value of N is. So basically, as we know, the T will be constant over here. T is constant by Wien's law. Wien's law. So lambda max equal to max, when let's suppose it's 1. So T1 equal to lambda max 2. So lambda naught T equals to 3 upon lambda upon 4 T dash, as it is given in the question. So T dash equal to 4 by 3 T. So from the equations we get P1 upon P2 equal to T1 dash upon T to the power 4. So it will give 4 upon 3 whole 4. So the answer will be option A, 256 upon 81.